Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature on Instagram that lets you enable First Stories notifications from the profiles you follow directly on your PC. So, if you want to be the first to see your favorite creators' stories, stick around. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Instagram account on your PC. Simply navigate to your browser, type in instagram.com, and log in to your account. Once you've got your profile open, take a look at the left bottom corner of your screen. You should see a little icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the More icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where you can customize your account preferences. Now, once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications. Click on that to access your notification settings. Next, you'll see several categories for notifications. Click on Push Notifications. This section lets you control what kind of alerts you receive. Finally, we're almost there. Under the options for comments and likes, you'll find a setting labeled From Profiles I Follow. Select this option to enable notifications specifically for the profiles you're interested in. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can stay updated with the first stories from your favorite profiles on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.